No, definitely not. AI will never replace teachers. It will just empower them and empower our students by allowing personalized learning. I see AI as a friend, not an enemy. I see AI as an assistant to teachers, an assistant to me, for planning, for creating activities, for adapting materials, and creating content as well. So you have a real friend and secretary in AI. And also for students, well, for students, it will empower their learning, because if we teachers can guide our students in using technology and AI effectively, then they will learn more and they will learn to use AI to its maximum potential. Well, our students live in a digital era. We are living in a digital era, and technology is everywhere. Technology impacts how we communicate with one another, how we do business, how we game, how we entertain, and also how we build relationships. We can even date, right? So, not that I have tried that, but it's also a possibility. So, technology, in a way, as I said, it's everywhere and it's part of students' real life. So, if we want to have English teaching or English learning that it's really meaningful for our students, then we need to reach out to their realities. During the duration of the course, we will be focusing on the principle of effective teaching with technology. And what does that mean? Well, it means that we will be blending three concepts that belong to the TPAC framework. And those are what we know about how the English language works, what we know about how the English language is learned, and also about how we use technology. We will reflect on each tool. We will examine each tool and think, is this tool appropriate for my teaching? Will it support my goals? Is it the right moment to use this tool? Is the language within the activity appropriate for my students' level, or should I edit it? Should I scaffold the activity before using it? Should I do some feedback activity after using this app or this interactive activity? All these are questions that we will review while reflecting on technology integrated into our classes. For those who think that they are not confident enough using technology, let me tell you that you will feel okay, and we will be there to support you and assist you in every step. We'll learn first to explore things together, to learn together, and co-construct knowledge. We will be collaborating, exploring digital tools, AI included, and we will be co-creating learning experiences that are meaningful for our students.